Hello guys, and welcome to my Mazda RX-8 channel. And I wasn't planning to make a third episode on, on me explaining how I got my idling resolved, but turns out that I do a lot of talking. If you don't want to listen to all the talking, this video is not going to be a lot of talking. This is going to be me showing everything that I did. Starting now. Enjoy the video. Oh yeah, Mazda RX-8 idling issue will be resolved in this video, and you could actually see that. So in the beginning of the video, I had an issue. It wanted to quit, but you'll see that it's working correctly. Hey guys, I am driving it just in second gear right now. Harley, you dog's gonna get hit. I don't have, actually, I do have weight. Just do this. Guys, excuse me being without no shirt. But I wasn't thinking I'm gonna get any success. No. It just died on me. I just hope to get it to my garage. It just stalled out on me again. I'm in neutral. Freaking A. But at least I'm right beside my garage. And it just died. Again. Crap. Thing is, it's kind of hard to see if anybody's coming, unfortunately, because of all the trees. Why is there so much traffic here, man? Well, at least I'm in my driveway. I'm trying to back up over here. It sucks when that idle, it's just not right, man. But this car, man, it moves along. It's real nice. If I could get this idle fixed, it's pretty fast. Obviously, you guys did not experience that just now. Guys, I know it just keeps dying on me, but let's see what's gonna happen when I drop the RPM to 1,000. Just doesn't want to do anything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shut this car off myself like that while I was actually accelerating a little bit, like that way it starts up. So guys, the Mazda RX-8 is now in my garage. So from this point on, I'm just gonna be working on it inside, and hopefully hopefully do some interesting stuff with it. It does not need to go on an immediate trip anywhere, but that idling issue is at the back of my head. I'm thinking like, what else can it be? I will be looking into this, problem like further. I think I do need to inspect the air box where everything's connected, make sure there's no unmetered air coming in. Like just take a look at, make sure like nothing's cracked since then. But there's nothing apparent. But I'll definitely have to do some of those things just to try various different things. But or maybe like right now, this is something else I'm thinking about doing. I mean, with my garage door open, of course, I'm going to see if I could just do that manual reset. And I'm talking about put the key to start position, hit the brake 20 times, and then just let it idle for 20 minutes. Could probably do that. But right now, the car starts. Every time I need it to start it, it does start up. That is good. One thing's for sure, I think I do want to let it just cool off a little bit before I do that. Because if radiator fluid is going to be leaking, it's just going to leak inside of my garage. I really don't want that. I mean, we could put like a bucket to catch all that, so that'll be fine. But I have plenty of space, a lot more space than I thought I would have. So it's nicely in here, so I'll be able to work. I have all of the tools right here. So I have this computer charging. This is the space for it. Then I have Mercedes Star diagnostic system here because I work on various cars. Then I have some tools here, some impacts and whatnot. Got my wrenches. Got more wrenches over here. This is my Icon stuff. Then I have more wrenches and sockets and torque wrenches and whatnot here. Some more chargers, my GoPro equipment, badges and things, tools with boxes and stuff. And then I have a bunch of stuff here. So I'm able to do a variety of things in my garage now. So my computer's on. I'll still mess around with it, see if I could do anything. I guess it's time to pop the hood. Anyways, I do have some lighting in here. And with the door open like this, if I end up working in here, there's plenty of room to walk around. I could get this thing up on jack stands if I needed to. One thing that we need to do is replace the starter for the faster starter. But before even doing that, I mean, I would like to fix the idling issue I'm having. I just don't know what else it could be. I mean, some of the culprits could be like right here. Like this could technically be it. So I'm kind of thinking that maybe I could just remove those things here, even though I don't think they're leaking, and see if I could plug those holes. Also, maybe disconnect an mass airflow sensor. See if this actually works better. But this is going to be for another video. But if I disconnect the mass airflow sensor, I just want to see if this is going to run better or worse. It's just something I haven't tried. But now that I'm in the garage, it doesn't matter. Let's see here. Okay, so it does want to quit. Obviously, well, it did quit. So you've seen that much. So with the mass airflow sensor being disconnected. So I just went over everything, made a little video for you guys just using the GoPro here. But everything's now hooked up, like everything's good, like all of that stuff is good with the elbows. I don't think I'm losing any air. The only cause of concern I would have is this little tube. I mean, it's plugged in, like, I mean, it should be technically enough. It should be blocked. I just don't know if that's really gonna help anything. I have no idea. You might be wondering what the heck I'm talking about, but it's this little tube right here. So there's like a little nipple there you could plug it up to, once you disconnect it from the vacuum pump or check valve or whatever. But let's see. I'm just gonna record underneath the engine. Let's go ahead and see if anything has happened. I mean, I cleaned the throttle body. I checked for all the leaks. I mean, we shouldn't be having any type of leaks. So. Well, actually, before I even do that, let's do that reset just in case. Let's just do the things kind of quickly. Okay, that did it. Okay, so I'm gonna bring my jump box in here just in case. So again. Okay, I think the vehicle is too warm already, and it does not want to start up. Sure, you could do the deflect procedure. Right now it's having some difficulties, I guess. I'll wait till it cools down. I still have a lot of other stuff to do. I mean, but I do want to get it started though, come on. Okay, I'll try using starting fluid. Okay, just gonna turn it off for now. So guys, here's what I'm doing right now. Since I resetted the car, you see my oil light, an oil needle go to the right and then back. I'm gonna try to attempt to do a relearn procedure and see if that works. You're technically supposed to start it up and just let it idle and only touch the accelerator when you think the car is about to quit. I mean, I don't know if it's about to quit. That's all it's been doing. Yeah, it's about to quit. So I want to find a safe range where it doesn't quit, So what I would like to do is just have it idle for 20 minutes. I got the timer set. In the meantime, I'm gonna mess around with my computer. I just took pictures to make it faster, and you could see the codes that I'm having present, but these are the codes because I disconnected the master full sensor naturally, and I tried to start it up the car, and naturally they're gonna come back. So that is the cause. So let me delete it. Guys, look what it started doing. I don't know if it heated up too much when I removed the gas. It's actually trying to idle. Okay, I don't know how long that's gonna happen. Starting to idle. I mean, this would be nice. It's only been 10 minutes in the relearn procedure. Eyes are burning. I had my respirator on. I mean, I still have it on. You could kind of see it right there while I was inside of the car, because it's a decat track car technically. That's all I use it for. Oh well, haven't used on the track yet, but that's all I'm gonna use it for, is the track. But hey, it's idling. That is already a good sign. We're further along than we were before. It's actually idling. Gosh, that's amazing. Man. I really hope it just learns idle. So it's supposed to work like that for 20 minutes to learn the idle and then stay. Man, I mean, you guys see that, like, I mean, like, no joke. These cars, like, they'll wear you out a little bit to where you're like, well, it's not starting. Let me just wait, I guess. But I'm like, no, I gotta keep going. I gotta keep pressing. So I used some starting fluid to start it up. It worked. I had to spray it about 3 times, but it worked. I did not see nothing apparent in it starting. Like, it was like nothing harsh for it. Just sprayed it. I mean, you see what I did. I have a sort of like a cone air filter in front. And that's where I sprayed it. But I was in there messing with my computer and I deleted the codes because when I disconnected the master flow sensor to try things, it detected that I disconnected them. But things are now at least idling. Like, if this could be the new norm, man, I would be like really, really happy because, man, this would allow me to continue. And it would allow me to now install the starter, go ahead and start putting the battery in the trunk, go ahead and work on getting an oil catch can installed. And so guys, the car has been running at this point for 20 minutes. Well, actually the timer was for 20 minutes. Time has expired. It's been running some more. It's probably been running good 30-40 minutes at this point. And I'm sitting outside because those gases, man, ooh, burning my eyes. But I set this bucket over here in case it heats up. As you can see, almost no fluid in there. Let's take a look on the inside. Check engine light hasn't came back. I still got this one for the actuation test. But right now it's good. I really don't want to mess with it anymore. But hopefully it's gonna remain good. Looks like it learned its idle. I mean, it's pretty good. I mean, let's see what happens if I rev it some. See? See, I let go, and look, it's going down. See? It's learning its idle. I'm just gonna let it run. The way the car's now idling, I have my respirator mask. Wasn't in the car the whole time, but well, anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope this has helped you out because I certainly would have watched it if anybody had this type of video. I've been searching on YouTube. I could not find anything that's similar to mine to like help me out with my issue. I found a lot of different fixes for this idling issue. One man did he created his own like idling stick, which I thought was kind of like a genius design. It's actually not even in your way, which was kind of cool. But I'm happy that my car finally idles, and now we can continue with some other videos. Next, I want to post some videos of me having all these issues and everything that I did to try to resolve them.